Hello everyone!
Welcome back to part 2
of the birthday celebration.
Today we are making
Beijing duck.
Let's get started.
Rub salt all over the duck. Rub, 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 rub.
Pluck the hair.
The maltose is a bit sticky.
Mix on low heat.
Brush the mixture on the duck.
Don't forget the bag.
Time to stuff the duck.
Use some sticks to keep the flavor in.
Put some shoes on the duck to protect it from the heat.
And some gloves too.
Cut the dough into small pieces and roll it out.
Get 2 layers and roll into one big piece.
Let's fry it up!
Cut the cucumbers into thin, long slices.
The green onions too.
Let's cut the duck.
Remember to remove the stuffing. Heat it up on low heat.
Mix until fully combined.